Hi everyone, today we are going to be going through the origins and insertions for our erector spinae group, and this muscle group is going to be a part of the intrinsic back muscles in the superficial layer. And the erector spinae group consists of three muscles. We have our iliocostalis muscle, we have our longissimus muscle, and we have our spinalis muscle. So iliocostalis is going to have a lumborum region, a thoracis region, and a cervicis region. And longissimus will have a thoracis region, cervicis region, and a capitis region, as we can see up here. And spinalis will have a thoracis region that we could see on visible body, and it will also consist of a cervicis and a capitis region, but we can only see thoracis on visible body. So to start with origin, we can see all three muscles coming together, and they are starting from this tendinous fascia here that will be originating onto the posterior iliac crest and the sacrum here. So we can see parts of erector spinae coming down onto the posterior iliac crest and coming down onto the sacrum. We can see longissimus and spinalis all coming down into this fascia here, which will be coming down onto the sacrum, we can see here. So for your origin, you only have to know that the erector spinae group as a whole will be originating at these two places, the posterior iliac crest and the sacrum. You do not have to differentiate into which parts of erector spinae will be originating from where. And for our insertion sites, we can see iliocostalis, different levels attaching to our ribs here. We can see longissimus attaching to parts of our transverse processes on select vertebrae. We can also see longissimus coming up onto the skull in the capitis region. And we can also see spinalis inserting onto some spinous processes on select vertebrae. And again, you only have to know that erector spinae will be inserting onto the ribs, transverse processes, the skull, and spinous processes, but you will not have to differentiate between which muscles will be specifically inserting where. So you can just group all of them together as erector spinae for the origin and insertion. Hopefully that was helpful.